Hello everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I've got a small Hobbii yarn haul. I've done, there are going to be quite a few yarn haul videos for August because I've got an order coming from Plita in Bulgaria. I've placed another Hobbii yarn haul order from Deramores, a small order. Where else have I ordered? I think that's all I've ordered so far. Yeah, 3. So I've got 3 more yarn hauls to come. And before I go any further, the lovely Whisper Barbara in my live last Wednesday has said that anybody that buys a pattern from her, if you use hashtag Linda, I think you will get 20% off. Let me just double check. I'm not sure whether it was 10 or 20% off. Let me just check. Yes, 20% discount off for any pattern that you buy off Barbara up until the end of August. So isn't that fabulous? So thank you so much, Barbara. I will put it in the description box and I'll put it across here. So isn't that lovely? I was really chuffed to bits with that. With it being August, would you believe August already? I actually, at the weekend, I got an order for 3 ponchos and I sold one of my cowls. I'm not sure if you remember the monochrome Tunisian cowl I made. Well, I sold it. So I was well pleased. Yes, so I've made a start on that. I've also made a start. I'm doing quite good on nearly finished my chunky cardigan, and which I started last Thursday, which is a week today. So that's nearly finished. And I've started to make a sweater for myself. I don't know if you remember the beaded top that I made. Well, I'm making that, but in rust colours. I'm not going to show you. I'll show it in my podcast on Sunday, and I'll show you what that is and how far I've gone with that and what I'm actually doing. So I've started from the yoke down and I'm going to do 3/4 sleeves, and so I've made a start on that. Made a start on the poncho. I finished off finished a secret project which all will be revealed at the end of this month. And so I've got quite a few things. I've got the sweater, the poncho, one of the ponchos, so I need to do a poncho a month, so I need to do one in August, one September, one in October, so they're all ready for Christmas. I've done my first Christmas present, which was my bod-along, which is this, which I've made for one of my dear friends. So I've actually finished this bod-along. I just need to photograph it and send it off to Jill at Fibre Floozy. And depending on how things go, I'm not sure whether I'll get a chance to do another bod-along entry, but we'll see how I get on, because obviously I've still got my birthstone blanket to do. I've got my challenges blanket that I need to do 18 granny squares for, and oh, and I'm with the yarn that I got from Julie. I'm going to make myself a tunic, like a little pinafore, so I can wear it over my turtleneck sweaters with my leggings in the winter. So yeah, so shall we get on? Sorry about the waffling, but shall we get on? As I said, it's only a little parcel, but you all know I absolutely love Hobbii yarn, and if you've never tried Hobbii yarn yourself, I highly recommend it. So sorry for the crinkling. So what did I get? Oh, I got a freebie, three crystal buttons. Aren't they pretty? So I got them, and I let's see, what did I get? I got the twisters solid. You know, I've already bought a few. I bought the rust, I bought the peach, the grey and the blue. So I went back and I bought 2 of these in the lavender or lilac, whichever, and it is, let me see, it's called Solid Twist, 55% cotton, 45% acrylic, and I love working with the blend, and it's a centre pull, and don't you just love it when they do a centre pull? So much easier. It's called Twister, and it's the solids. This is lot number 0720108 is the colour. 100 grams, 437 yards, so I've got 874 yards, so that'll make a nice wearable or a shawl. I'm not sure whether it would, I could get a poncho out of it, but we'll see. You can use 3 to 4 needles or a 3.5 to a 4mm hook. It's a 2 weight, which is 40-degree wash, cool iron, don't dry clean, don't bleach, and you can dry clean it. It's designed in Denmark, but it's made with love in Turkey. And the tension is 36 stitches by 35 rows. So I've got 2 of those. Really like that colour. Really like that colour. And then I got this colour, which, oh, and I got a sweet as well. Oh, I got a sweet. A toffee or a candy. Right, this is lot number 1020, and colour is 129. Again, all the same as what I've told you about with this one, and I would call this an aqua. Really pretty yarn, and it's, honest to God, it is so soft. And you all know that cotton or a cotton blend is my favourite yarn. I love cotton. And as you can see, it is a 2 weight. There we go. So I've got them, I've got 2 of those. And then I got 2 of the cream. And this is lot number 0221, colour 121. And I went back to order another one of these, but they'd sold out. But I did get another one of these, and I got another one of these. So I think I'll be making some nice wearables for myself for this winter. But I want to see how this this comes on. So that's all from me for today. I am going to, at the end of this video, I'm going to put a photograph of this on the beautiful Matilda. So I'll arrange it on Matilda, and I've got a nice shawl pin to go with it. So I'm just going to have a look and see which shawl pin would go nice with it. Let's see. Do you think that one would go with it? I'm thinking that would go with it better than a wooden one. Let's see. What do you think? If I, oops, put it right round the right way. Oh, I've got it stuck now on the bubble, on the puff stitch. Let's see. Can't even do it now. Here we go. Do you think that would look nice on there like that? I do think it looks really nice. So that's one Christmas present done, and one down. Don't know how many I've got to go. Oh, and I've ordered the yarn for Rick's. I wonder what I did with it. Shh, it's a secret. I'm going to make Rick some socks for Christmas, but I'm also going to make him this. He doesn't know, so I'm going to have to do it very sneakily. So it's an Aran, so I've ordered some Aran yarn. So mum's the word, guys, mum's the word. So that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really, really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I want to welcome each and every one of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for taking the time to come and join me. All my existing subscribers who've been with me for a long time. And I was working out today that on the 28th of November last year was when I joined the crochet community. So I'm going to have a little bit of a celebration in November. So look out for that. So I'm going to start and get things together to give away on my celebration. So we'll more than likely do it on the Wednesday as my 1 year YouTube fibre community anniversary. So that's all. I'm sorry I waffled. I hope you've enjoyed. I enjoy talking to you all. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. Bye.